In this episode, I'm going to show you how to see how many people have viewed your Facebook profile account. Facebook has recently introduced a new feature where you can access how many people have visited your Facebook profile within some simple steps. And to do that, make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Navigate to your Play Store if you're an Android user and make sure you have updated your Facebook app. Then proceed to open. On this interface, continue to click on your profile icon picture. Then navigate and locate these three ellipses beside View Tools and click here. Then make sure your professional mode is switched on. In our case, it is currently switched on, as you can currently see on this video. After toggling this on, then proceed to click on this back. Then click on View Tools. Then you need to scroll down till you locate Professional Mode Guide and click here. On this interface, proceed to scroll down again to locate Insight and click here. Then you need to click on View Insight. Then you need to proceed on See Details. Now you have a breakdown of everything that happens to your Facebook profile for the last 28 days. You can see the profile visit, which is 48. You can see the post reach, which is 929. And you can see even the engagement and the reaction and everything on your Facebook profile page. This is a great way to have an insight as to how many people are visiting or viewing your Facebook profile. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. If you want to see many content like this, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.